In this video, I will show you how to use Amazon Music. First, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now, search for Amazon Music. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on the install option. If this app is available in your country or region, you will be able to download and install this. After that, log into your account or create a new account if you are new. Once you've signed in, you land on the Home tab. Here you'll find recommended playlist, album, station, recently played music and personalized suggestions based on your listening history. To search for music, tap on the Search or Find tab. Enter the name of the song, artist, album, or playlist, then tap a result to start playing it. While a song is playing, you'll have several playback control. You can play or pause the music, skip to next or previous track, adjust the volume, and view synced lyrics if they are available. You can also tap on the like button to improve your recommendation, and use the share option to send a song to others or add it to one of your playlists. If your device supports Alexa, tap Alexa icon to control your music using voice command. You can also ask Alexa to play songs, artist, album, or playlist without typing. If you want more features such as on-demand access to larger music catalog, you can tap on the update option to learn about Amazon Music Unlimited. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.